What's good? It's the Hunter Hoffman back with insane content!
In this video, we're going to restore the leather seats of my very high mileage BMW M3. I assume that's what you guys want to see, right? I listen to my people. So these seats have probably endured a lot of sweat, farts, and what have you. Yeah, we're not gonna do the back seats as nobody has ever sat there. Well, except for all the girls I had there, obviously. So we're gonna get these seats out and get to work. Alright, so in order to remove the seat, we're first going to disconnect the seat belt from the seat. So we're gonna pop this cap loose, and with the T50 disconnect the seat belt. Then we're gonna slide the seat back to get these T50s. Then we're gonna slide the seat back. Oi! Don't you low battery me! So then we're gonna slide the seat back. And also upwards for easy removal. And then finally we're gonna disconnect the cable harness. Alright, so let's get this bad boy out. And obviously repeat the process on this side. Whoa! What's this? Have you seen this? Damn! That's pretty insane, bro. Alright, so here we have the seat out of the car. And it actually got me thinking. I can use it for other stuff as well. Baby, go ahead, enjoy yourself. And you take care of her, big boy. Anyway, as you can see, there's quite some wear and tear going on. So we're going to start out by giving it a proper vacuum. Alright, so next up we're going to deep clean the leather. We're going to do so with this stuff and the brush. And we're going to work from the top to the bottom. So we're going to spray some cleaner on the brush and gently apply it on the leather. We're going to let this sit for a couple of minutes and wipe it away with a clean microfiber towel. Alright, so now I'm going to do the rest of the seat. So let's go ahead and cue the music. Alright, so that's the initial cleaning done. So we're going to let this dry for a bit, and then we're going to continue with rejuvenating the leather. Alright, so now it's time for the leather rejuvenation. Now that the seat is properly dry and clean, we're going to use this. This is a set made by Leatherique, and this is a two-step leather rejuvenation. First, we're going to oil it up with this stuff, and then after 24 hours, we're going to wipe it clean with this stuff. So the instructions say that you can simply use this with your hands. So, time to get oiled up. Oh yeah, look at this. And apply generously. It's especially cracked here, so I wonder if it absorbs more here. I think that's it. This does remind me of something. Yeah, it's gonna be one of those episodes. Alright, so the final step would be to bag it up. So we've got ourselves some huge trash bags. Yeah, these should be big enough. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put the trash bag over the seat so that the leather absorbs the oil better, apparently. So there we go. So now we're gonna wait for 24 hours and then continue. All right, so it's the next day. So let's go ahead and take this trash bag off. Wow, look at this. Not sure if you can see this, but this is completely absorbed. And that is, of course, also the spot with the most wear. So next up is treating the seat with the Pristine Clean in order to remove all the oil. And that should be the end of the leathery two-part cleaner. So we're gonna put some of this on here. Ooh, it's very liquid. And wipe away. Gently, of course. Okay, this may take some time, so cue the music. All right, so now for a quick blow dry. And the final wipe down. So the seat has some little defect here and there, so we're gonna try out this stuff, which is the Easy Color Restorer Black. So we're mainly gonna focus on the area over here. We're gonna carefully apply some on this sponge and then carefully treat the area. Then we're gonna hit it with the blow dryer. Let's do that again. All right, so here we have the end result. I'm really happy with it. The seat looks a lot cleaner now. And yeah, the bolster of the seat has been, well, not fully repaired, but good enough for me. So take a look at the befores and afters. All right, so time to get these seats in the car. And there we go. Seats looking dapper again. Really happy with the results. The M3 is just looking really good now. So yeah, on to the next video. So there we have it. Seats in, looking really dapper. I'm really happy with the results. I'm also happy that you're sticking to the end of the video. Maybe consider subscribing or leaving a like. Would really help me out. Guys, thank you so much for watching, and see you next time. So we're gonna get these seats out and get to work.
Jezus, wat is dit allemaal moeilijk. Nou.
Alright, so there we have it. Perfecting, oh die zon nou.